Hey, thanks for coming to this week's video blog. Glad you made it because I got some great stuff for you today. I want to discuss today the difference between a mortgage broker and a lender. Is there a drastic difference? Is there any difference? Are they the same thing? Mortgage broker and a lender. What does the lender do? The lender works with borrowers and they lend money to the borrower. Borrower walks into the office. Lender says, you want a cup of coffee? Borrower says, fantastic, I'll have a cup of coffee. And they chit chat a little bit. We want you to fill out this application. We want to see W-2s, we want to see your tax statements, all the good stuff. They want to pre-approve the buyer. Lender does a lot of stuff. They're going to process the loan once the buyer is pre-approved. Once the buyer gets it to an escrow, they're gonna manage all the finances when it comes to this borrower. Lender has money to lend. Lender's gonna make the borrower's dreams come true of home ownership. Lenders are good. Where does the mortgage broker come in? What does the mortgage broker do? Here's the major difference. Mortgage broker. Keyword here is broker. Let's shorten that word broker down to what? To broke. They don't lend money because they don't have money. The mortgage broker's job is to find that buyer, that borrower, a lender who does have money. They're also called a TPO, third party originator. All they do is start the loan, collect data, then they hand it off to the lender. And that's the difference. The mortgage broker's job is to go out and find a lender who's willing to take a shot on the borrower. And when they do find a lender for that borrower, that mortgage broker also wants to get paid. So typically they'll charge the buyer. And it's a nominal fee, but the mortgage broker's job is to find money. They're right in the middle. They're the middleman. You got a buyer, you got a mortgage broker, and you got the lender. Get a mortgage broker involved. If you have a buyer who does not qualify for a loan the first time, it might work. It's helped me out in the past. Hey, do yourself a favor. Do yourself a big favor. Check out this video right here on primary mortgage market versus the secondary mortgage market. You'll get tons out of it. We'll see you next week.